Alright guys, let's just go drive around, check a few things. I'm gonna test this GoPro out, see how it does POV style. Let's go this way. Turn and cut through the neighborhood. Let's go. It's a nice day outside. You see people walking their doggies. People outside watering their plants or their grass. It's a nice afternoon. The sun's out a little bit. It's not too hot, but thought I'd try to make a little quick video of a POV drive as I kind of talk to y'all today. Friday, work was pretty busy for me. How was it for y'all? Supposed to rain this weekend, but I guess we'll see. See, and that's the one thing, man. If your car is lowered and you got ground effects, you gotta watch every single dip because you will scrape and it's not gonna sound good. You're gonna clench and it's gonna be freaking horrible. That's one thing I guess that I kind of dislike about this car is because it's lowered on the stock bolts and it's got the ground effects. Getting into my driveway where I live is a pain because it will scrape every time unless you get it perfect, and it's hard. And I think I just saw Frank. Hold on, I'm about to turn around. I'm lowering the windows on this one. We're gonna go see Frank. Here we go. It's that boy Frank. I thought I saw you with your trunk open. I was like, is he out there? I was like, let me swing back right real quick.
Hey, you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay, hell yeah, bro.
Yeah, I was just recording the drive around. So I was just gonna go.
Yeah, I'm putting the seats back in my car. It's been like almost a month since I've had them.
Oh, is it?
My back seats in.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's good seeing you, man.
Yeah, dude. I just thought I'd swing by real quick.
Like, all right, man.
All right, dude. Later. Well, good to see some friends coming out. Let's try doing the manual mode. Fun times, fun times. It is almost about to be 5 o'clock rush hour on a Friday, so I'm gonna try to avoid any of the regular roads so we can not be caught in traffic. But I think I'm gonna go to Veterans Park. It shouldn't be busy over there, at least Friday right now, and I'm just gonna take the highways so that way it's gives me a spot to shoot some video. But we can go on the highway and I can kind of just film doing that. Oh man, look at that traffic there. I'm gonna have to wait a second here. All right, I think we're good now. Let's go. A fun little pool. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I don't know how well it's gonna be with all the sound going on here with the car going on, but I think the one thing I love about this car, just it being a red sports car in general, but just the attention that it gets. So many people just kind of are staring at it. In a minute, I mean, if you wanted to just cruise, you know, driving the highway, regular driving, daily driving, feels good. I mean, you hit a pothole or some rough roads, you're gonna kind of feel it because it's got, you know, the stiff sport suspension. But I mean, other than that, it drives pretty smooth. The seats are comfortable. See pretty good out of it. When you want to get on it and go, it'll go for you. So, you know, it's kind of just one of those things that, you know, if you like it, it'll work. A little bit more, you know, it's a little louder than, you know, I would say my Mazda, but overall it's not too loud to where it'd be, you know, annoying in the cabin. All right, we gonna turn this way. Mustang. Oh man, this car is amazing. Let's see where I can park, where I can even try to film. Looks like every space is kind of speed bumps. Everywhere is kind of filled. Alright guys, well there's my POV type video. I just wanted to test it out. I'm still learning how to do the POV style with the GoPro Hero 9 because I kind of have to guesstimate where the picture is lying, and I want it to fully show, you know, the inside of the car, the dash, the road, what I'm seeing ahead of me. And if you don't know, the GoPro Hero 8, you're able to see a kind of live feed on your smartphone through it to make sure you're looking at it correct and it's set up. But for the 9, they took that feature away, and so what I have to do is pretty much put the GoPro on, test maybe a couple seconds, take the hat off, and review the tape and see if it's lined up correctly. And it's a pain, and it's really annoying, so I might have to just upgrade, or when they come out with the 10 and maybe sell it, upgrade, I don't know, because it makes it so hard to do POV style videos because I'm having to guess where exactly the camera is facing and making sure it's there right. But just thought I'd try this out again, try to film, see if I'm getting the right angles and everything for it, just so y'all can see it. I want to be doing a lot more of them in the future as me driving, talking about topics and just things, all cars and life and stuff like that. So hopefully this one was okay about it. But until the next one, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you do. Trying to put out good content for y'all. But until the next one, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Peace.